my friend. Welcome back to Learn English Bold. Before we start today's cozy English adventure, I have one small favor to ask. If these videos help you feel calm, confident, and motivated, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support is like a little spark of energy for us.
Yes, every time you like or comment, we feel so happy and inspired to make more stories for you.
All right, are you ready? Great, let's begin.
Oh no, look at this fridge. It's almost empty.
Empty already? Didn't we shop last week?
We did, but we finished almost everything. Look, no milk
No eggs.
and no bread.
That basically means no breakfast.
Exactly. We definitely need to go shopping today. True. I think we snack too much in the evenings. Yesterday, I ate the last cookie and you drank the last glass of milk.
Guilty, but you finished the bread with your sandwich.
Okay. We're both guilty.
Well, no problem. Grocery shopping can be fun. It's like a little weekend adventure.
Yes, but this time we should be more careful. No rushing. Where's a pen and paper?
Found it. Here you go.
Perfect. Let's start. Number 1, milk and eggs. Always the basics.
Yes. Without milk and eggs, mornings feel impossible.
Next, bread. We finish bread so fast.
True. Sandwiches, toast, late night snacks, bread disappears in 1 week.
Okay, adding it to the list. Now, fruits. Which ones do you want?
Apples, definitely. And bananas, of course. They're easy snacks.
Apples and bananas. Done. What about vegetables?
Cucumbers, tomatoes, and lettuce. Perfect for salad.
Salad sounds good. Fresh and healthy. Okay, writing it down.
Don't forget chicken for dinner tonight.
Chicken. Yes, got it.
Anything else?
Wait, coffee. Don't forget coffee. We're down to the last bag.
Oh, yes. Coffee is life. Can't survive without it.
Same. 1 bag of coffee. Added.
All right, the list is ready. Do you have the keys?
Yes, right here.
Perfect. Let's go before the store gets too crowded. You know, I actually enjoy grocery shopping.
Really? Why? Most people hate it.
Because every aisle feels like a little adventure. You never know what's new, what's on sale, or what little surprise you might find.
That's true. And sometimes we buy things we didn't even plan to.
Yes, and that's both fun and dangerous.
Exactly. Remember last time? We went for milk and bread and came home with cookies, chips, and a huge watermelon.
Oh, yes, the watermelon. It barely fit in the fridge.
Wow, it's packed today. Look at all these cars.
Well, it's Saturday morning. Everyone shops on weekends.
True. Okay. Oh, look, there's a space over there.
Great. Turning carefully. Got it.
Wait, careful. A car is coming.
I see it. Don't worry. Thanks for warning me, though.
My heart jumped a little.
Don't worry. We're safe. Now we just need a good shopping cart, not the broken one like last time.
All right, time for our big shopping adventure.
Here we are. First step, grab a cart.
Oh no, this one has a broken wheel. It keeps pulling to the left.
Classic. It feels like the cart wants to go shopping by itself.
True. If we use this, we'll end up in the wrong aisle. Let's grab another one.
Good idea. Okay, this one looks fine. Smooth wheels, try pushing it.
Ah, much better. Rolls perfectly.
Perfect. Now we're ready for the adventure.
Wait, do you have the shopping list?
Yes, right here in my bag.
Great. A strong cart, a clear list, and 2 smart shoppers. What could go wrong?
Probably snacks we didn't plan to buy.
You know me too well.
All right, let's start this shopping trip. All right, let's start with apples. These look perfect, shiny and red.
Yes. How many should we get?
Let's take 6. I want to bake an apple pie tomorrow.
Ooh, apple pie. Sweet or with cinnamon?
With cinnamon, of course. The smell will make the whole house feel cozy.
Aww. Okay then, 6 apples. Into the cart. What about bananas?
Yes, but these ones are too green. They'll take forever to ripen.
True. Let's take these yellow ones instead. They look just right. Not too soft, not too hard.
How many do we need?
5 should be enough for the week. Smoothies, snacks, maybe banana pancakes on Sunday?
Banana pancakes. I love that idea. Okay, 5 bananas. Done.
Now oranges. Let's check the price.
$2 per pound. That's not bad at all.
Should we get 2 pounds? Enough for juice and for snacking?
Yes, 2 pounds sounds perfect.
Oh, look! Strawberries are on sale. 2 boxes for $3.
Really? That's so cheap.
Yes, and they look fresh too.
Let's grab 2. We can eat them with yogurt or maybe on top of pancakes.
Or just straight from the box.
True, they might not last until tomorrow.
Don't forget lettuce for the salad. This one looks brown on the edges.
Yeah, not good. Let's pick this greener one instead. Much better.
Fresh and crunchy. Perfect for tonight's salad. How many tomatoes do we need?
Let's take 4 large ones, enough for sandwiches and salad.
4 tomatoes? Done.
And cucumbers?
Let's go with 2 small ones. The big ones don't taste as good.
I agree. The small ones are sweeter. Okay, 2 cucumbers.
Wow, the cart is already filling up.
I know. Fruits and vegetables always take up so much space. But it feels good, so colorful and healthy.
Yes, like a rainbow in the cart. Apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers.
And soon, chicken for dinner. But for now, the fresh stuff is done.
Great. Next stop, the cold aisle. Brr, get ready to freeze.
Brr, it's freezing here. Like walking into a refrigerator.
Yeah, every time I come here, I feel like I should have brought a jacket.
Okay, milk first. Which one?
Whole milk, blue cap. This one expires in 5 days.
That's fine. We'll finish it before then.
Next, eggs. 1 dozen. Check if any are broken.
Opening the carton. All good. Perfect. Do we need cheese?
No. But look, Swiss cheese is on sale.
We still have some at home. Skip it.
Butter,
Yes, unsalted. That one.
yogurt.
Only if they have strawberry.
They do. 2 cups.
Make it 4. You know I always eat them fast. I love this smell. Fresh bread always smells amazing.
Same. It's like a little bakery right here in the store.
Which bread should we take today?
Whole wheat. It's healthier, and this one says 100% whole wheat.
Soft, too? Perfect. How many loaves?
2 should be enough. We make a lot of sandwiches anyway.
Coffee time. Dark roast or medium roast?
Dark roast is expensive. Let's try medium roast. It's cheaper, but still tastes good.
Good idea. 1 pound bag should last 2 weeks. That's perfect.
Do we need tea?
No, we have plenty at home.
But look, orange juice is on sale.
Oh, nice. Let's get 1 bottle, but make sure it has no sugar.
100% pure juice. Perfect.
Fresh and healthy.
Great! This aisle always makes me feel like we're winning at grocery shopping.
Yes, bread, coffee, juice. Our cart is looking so good already.
I love this part. Choosing small things carefully, making sure we get the best.
Exactly. It's not just shopping, it's a little morning adventure every time. Okay, next, snacks and treats. Chocolate, chips, maybe a little indulgence.
Yes, balance is important. Healthy stuff and a little treat.
Do you want chips?
Just 1 bag. Sour cream and onion, my favorite.
You always pick that one. Done.
And cookies?
Chocolate chip, of course. They go perfectly with coffee. Chocolate chip. Oh, what about nuts? Healthy snacks are important too.
Yes, let's get unsalted mixed nuts. 1 pack should be enough.
Great. That way we have something to munch on without feeling guilty. Look at the cart. Fruits, veggies, bread, coffee, and now snacks.
It's like a little treasure chest. Healthy and tasty treasures.
Exactly. And it feels good knowing we balanced it. Just 1 bag of chips, a few cookies, and nuts for healthy snacking.
Okay, now frozen food. Maybe a small ice cream? Vanilla?
Yes, perfect. And frozen peas for cooking. Good idea. Easy for quick meals.
And 1 pizza for emergencies, lazy dinner nights.
Yes, perfect. Just in case we don't feel like cooking one night. Shopping for snacks always feels like a mini adventure. You never know what little treat you'll find.
True. And today we're doing it right. Healthy choices, but also a few fun treats.
Balance is key. A little indulgence is fine as long as most of the cart is nutritious.
Agreed. And I'm excited to try the strawberries with yogurt tomorrow.
Sounds delicious. All right, snacks, tea afterwards, and just relax.
Simple moments, small adventures, full of English practice and cozy vibes. Thank you for joining us today, my friend. From the fridge to the kitchen, it's been quite the journey.
If you enjoyed this story, give it a like and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part of grocery shopping? Fresh fruits or maybe the little treats?
Your support really encourages us to make more cozy English adventures for you. So don't forget to subscribe. Sleep well, stay cozy, and see you in the next episode.